Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, like calling me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to.
Hello, my lovely people. How is everyone doing? I am doing all right. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Emeline. Welcome to the family. And you're not new? If you're not new, urakaza neza nanone. So come with me to work. I'm going to work. Yeah, come and spend a day with me. Actually, I don't know what's gonna be in this vlog, but we're gonna make the most out of it. Yeah. So my loves, I'm currently waiting for my dad. Izuba riri hano hanze rirarangiza abantu. Ayo maherena ndabona ari meza nayaguze like 3 years ago. Kuko n'ubwa mbere n'atari ubwa kabiri nyambaye. They look so good on me. As impamvu ntari narayambaye kera ahubwo. Yeah, so I'm currently waiting for my dad. He said he wants to talk to me about something. Yabari kera yarambwira ngo I need to talk to you. Ntagira ubwoba. Umutima ukanja mvuga subu niki nakoze koko. Ibintu byose mba nagerageje kubikora ku murongo. Noneho nakoze cyarangije. Ndatitira none ubu ndumva nta kintu bimbwiye. Thank you God for making me grow up. Those times were tough. Ntaribagirwa nshuti zanjye. If you're a girl, a woman or a boy, n'umuhungu nta kibazo rwose. Take your time. Usige umubiri wawe. Hari abantu mbona n'umusirimu arahumura ameze neza ariko intoki ziriho umwera noneho hano ho my God. This is also part of your body. Ibirenge ikintu cya mbere siga umunwa niba uri umukobwa usige intoki usige hano usige n'ibirenge. That too hard. N'amavi amavi noneho hari ubona yasize wenda ko yambaye akajipo kagufi yaramaze nk'iminsi atayasiga. Amaguru nayo akavuga ati wapi ntabwo unsiga uyu munsi indi minsi yose waranze kunsiga. Umva akaguma kaba umweru hariho amavuta ukabona arashashagirana ariko asa umweru. Mwafashe umwanya ukisiga niba uri umukobwa gendana akarabero ugendane akavuta ugendane akavuta kanjye we yayo ngaka kavuta kanjye ka my way kanga kaniko ngendana nisiga mbona agendana n'akakarabero ka Carmex kangaka kusiga kutunwa n'abanshaka kutunwa tubutwuki cyane nzambereka ko nsiga kangaka. Jerry, this is yours but I have it. You can do nothing to me. Ntacyo wantwara. Yeah. N'akamentosi just in case ari umuntu aceceka cyane kubera gufunga umunwa ugashiduka mu kanwa hano. Shaka agashikirete akaminti kaguhumuza mu kanwa. Sibyo? Yeah. I'm waiting for my dad. He's gonna be here in a few minutes, but I'm kurambirwa already, so yeah, see you guys. Hello my lovers, how is everyone doing? I am doing alright. How are you doing, baby? He said he's not in the mood to be in the video, but I am, so don't worry. It's gonna be good vibes. It's gonna be good vibes. Yeah. So how is everyone doing? So how is everyone doing? I enjoy this car very much because of this sunroof. It's Saturday. I had umuganda wa midi. I'm gonna get my nails done, get my hair washed. Mpamvu ntari gusuka nuko ndi gukora siporo muri iyi minsi. Rero ibyunzwe uko biza mu mbagomba kumesa mu mutwe like kenshi. Rero nsutse murabyumva byaba ari ibibazo. So that's why I have my hair like this, and I have to wash it every twice a week cyangwa once a week. Yeah, I'm going to the salon. I'm going to try a new nail tech. My new nail tech, if you see this, nako my nail tech usanzwe, if you see this, I'm sorry, I have to try new things. Even disappointing, I'm gonna come back. Yeah, so guys, come with me, get my nails done, get my hair washed. Nshaka gushyiraho utwara tureture noneho tureture kuko. So come with me. Rero nagiye mba suppose gutegereza ko yari afite undi muntu yari ari gukorera. Yeah, so I went to buy a yogurt on the way. This is my favorite yogurt of all the time. Cyane cyane ko haba harimo utufruwi, ntabwo ari flavor gusa, harimo n'utwo dufruwi tw'iyo flavor n'indi.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. With the hood on, like calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
So ahangaha rero our uncles bari baje kudusura. They missed us and we missed them, but apparently they've been missing the baby even more than any of us. Baradukumbuye natwe tubakumbuye. We had a great time. It was just a beautiful evening. Yeah.
Ora umuntu amukamisha abantu bayishe.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. With the hood on, like calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it.
Hello my lovers, welcome to another day. Ahangaha rero nari maze iminsi nava mu rugo. I was home iminsi nk'itatu ikurikiranye because I was home alone doing everything on my own. So my husband was about to go and I said, you can't leave me here alone. Ndamukurikira ntazi nagiye because I just missed being outside of the house. I missed environment zindi zo hanze. Yeah, a little break biba ngombwa sometimes. Yeah, so this is me showing off how my skin is acting up. Like, what is this? My skin has been good to me a few days ago, and what is this? It's so kumpinduka these days. but I think it's because of the heat. Kigali harashyushye bikabije. I think that's why. Yeah. But we move anyways. Nyamuza amatips yo gukuraho ibiheri. Please plug me. Plug a sister. Kuko tuduheri ntabwo nzi ngo turanshakaho iki kwera. Guys, this is what I hate about coming with this man. I always end up driving. Like, why did I come with you? Ninja gute stress ninja kuvuga tujyane, and this is what I get. Yeah, I'm thirsty. So this is why I look like this. Yeah, but guys, I've been having this question on my mind, and I have to ask you guys. Please tell me in the comments what you guys think. I was talking to this girl and she's in a relationship, but she avuga ko yemera ko ngo in relationships ngo utagomba gusharinga amapasswords y'umuntu mukundana. Like the phone is so private. Ntabwo nyine ugomba gusharinga amapasswords, ntabwo ugomba kujya muri telefone unless permitted, of course. Nawe kandi ntabwo ugomba kumujya muri telefone. Like the phone is personal, niyo umuntu ku giti cye, ntabwo igomba kuba involved in relationship. Ndamubwira ni se, what's the point niba musharinga ibindi byose except for the phone? Arambwira ati umva, phone iri private. Phone kuki ugomba kumenya conversation nagiranye nawe, we're just friends. Kuki ugomba kumenya conversation nagiranye na runaka, kubera iki ugomba kuba involved into all that? Umva, it was a debate. I want you guys to tell me what you think. Uri muri relationship, let's say relationship iri promising, muri aba fiancé cyangwa se muri married. Do you think the phones are to be shared? Nama passwords ukaba uzi password ya mugenzi wawe nawe azi password yawe ku buryo nyine he can even have your phone utanabizi, cyangwa you also think ko phone nyine iri personal, iri privé, ari ikintu umuntu agomba kuba nyine afite ku giti cye, wowe utagomba kukigira unless permitted. Mbere yuko mfata telefone yawe niba tukundana cyangwa turi muri relationship, hanza kukubwira ngo wampaye uruhushya cyangwa wese nkakoresha telefone yawe iki n'iki ukankuriramo password, nkabona gukora icyo kintu nakubwiye nacyo ngiye gukora. Hanyuma I don't have to read your chats, I don't have to, go through your phone utabizi. Cyangwa you also think ko nyine phone, I hope you guys understand, phone igomba kuba private cyangwa igomba kuba shared muri relationship. What do you guys think? Password ya y'umuntu turi muri relationship igomba kuyamenya, cyangwa ni ubuzima bwe buri privé ntagomba kwinjiramo? Yeah, nibyo rero nari ndi kwibaza ngo ndaza kubabaza kuko twaburanye biracika. Yeah, I'm here in the parking, I'm waiting for him. He's at the bank. I want you guys to tell me in the comments what you think. Thank you guys, love you. So on the way home twaciye kuri Brood, twashaka kugura utuntu. Hanyuma I love Brood bread. Nkunda umugati wo muri Brood cyane, uraryoha, uba woroshye. Yeah. So hari n'ama croissant aryoshye asa neza arimo shokora. I had to get that one too. Ikibazo kimwe mfite ngomba kwivuza, ntabwo nyagenda ngura ikintu kimwe cyanjyanye ngo ubundi nsohoke. I always struggle with that. Also I had to get this yogurt, igiheke, it's my favorite of all the time. Cheers. Kakantu ngo nagahanga muri protein. Kagira protein. Ifite energy ingana gutyo, fat, protein, se ko mbona bimeze nk'ibisanzwe, si 2%. Muri mu ijana ku ijana.
Uzi?
So my loves, my husband is cooking something and I thought of showing you guys. Hold on. The food is ready, guys. Let's see how it tastes. It looks so good. I'll show you guys. Chef mushyiremo cyangwa mwihorere. Okay.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the test to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord? One time, sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it warm up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit, say I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw down, saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, falling on the man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the journey to just to the plus. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us, so we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we rise and boast.
Wow. Makabizo. Uri kwibona? So thank you guys for watching. This is where the vlog ends. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. We love you.